Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get a Charles Schwab debit card. Now first you need to have opened a Schwab Bank Investor checking account, and you can do this either online or by calling Charles Schwab at 888-403-9000. And you'll need to provide the required information, including things like your security number, social security number, your driver's license, and your employer information if this is applicable. And you can also download a paper application if needed. And once your account is open, you'll need to fund it with any amount. Okay, so a Schwab Bank Visa Platinum debit card will actually be mailed to you within 7 to 10 business days after funding your account. And you'll also receive complimentary checks, deposit slips, and postage paid envelopes within 7 to 10 business days after funding your account with at least $100. Okay, and you can go ahead and manage your Schwab Bank Visa Platinum debit card through the Schwab mobile app as well. You can also unlock your card if needed. You can do a lot of other things as well, but otherwise it's really that easy and simple. Go ahead and open it online, or you can call them at that number. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.